In the world of project management software, scalability is a crucial factor. Businesses grow, teams expand, and project complexities increase. A tool that fits a small startup perfectly might buckle under the weight of a large enterprise and vice versa. Wrike, a prominent player in the work management space, is designed to be highly adaptable. This naturally leads many to ask, how many people can use Wrike? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Wrike is built to accommodate a vast range of team sizes, from individual freelancers to sprawling multinational corporations with thousands of employees. The number of people who can effectively use Wrike depends entirely on the specific plan you choose and the features your organization requires. Wrike's pricing structure is designed to scale with your team, offering different tiers tailored to varying needs and sizes. Let's delve into the specifics of Wrike's user capacity across its various plans. 1. The free plan, for individuals and small teams. Yes, Wrike offers a free plan, which is an excellent starting point for individuals, very small teams, or those just looking to explore the software's basic functionalities. User limit. The Wrike free plan supports an unlimited number of users. This might seem counterintuitive for a free offering, but it's important to understand the associated limitations. Limitations. While you can have unlimited users, the free plan comes with significant restrictions on active tasks, typically around 200 active tasks per account, storage, 2 GB per account, and advanced features. You'll get basic task management, subtasks, board and table views, and integrations with common cloud storage services. Best use. This plan is ideal for a single user managing personal projects, a very small team collaborating on simple tasks, or as a testing ground to see if Wrike's core interface aligns with your team's preferences. It's not suitable for complex projects, large data volumes, or extensive team collaboration beyond basic task sharing. 2. The team plan, for growing small to medium-sized teams. Moving up from the free plan, the team plan is designed for small to medium-sized teams that need more robust collaboration and project visualization features. User limit. This plan typically accommodates 2 to 25 users. Key features unlocked. The team plan significantly expands Wrike's capabilities. You'll gain access to unlimited projects and tasks, interactive Gantt charts, crucial for project timelines, custom workflows, custom fields, dashboards, file view, and more storage, up to 2 GB per user. Automation is also introduced, albeit with limits. Best use. This is an excellent choice for teams that are starting to manage multiple projects, need better visibility into timelines, and require some level of workflow customization to match their processes. It supports effective collaboration and basic resource oversight. 3. The business plan, for larger teams and departmental use. The business plan is geared towards larger teams, departments, or companies with more complex project management requirements. User limit. The business plan supports teams ranging from 5 to 200 users. Key features unlocked. Building on the team plan, the business plan introduces critical features for scaling operations. These include cross-tagging, resource management, essential for larger teams to track workload and capacity, project blueprints, for standardizing repetitive projects, custom item types, time tracking, advanced reporting, and more automation actions, 200 actions/user/month. Storage also increases to 5 GB per user. Important note on user groups. While the plan states 5 to 200 users, Wrike often sells licenses in groups. For instance, for accounts up to 30 users, subscriptions are typically sold in groups of 5. For 30 to 100 users in groups of 10, and above 100 users in groups of 25. This means if you need 11 users, you might have to purchase 15 seats. This is a common practice with enterprise-level software and is something to factor into your budgeting. Best use. This plan is ideal for organizations where different departments or multiple project teams need a structured environment, advanced reporting, and better resource visibility across multiple projects. It's where resource managers and PMOs start to gain significant value. 4. The enterprise and pinnacle plans, for large organizations and advanced needs. For the largest organizations with stringent security, customization, and reporting needs, Wrike offers its Enterprise and Pinnacle plans. User limit. Both Enterprise and Pinnacle plans support 5 to unlimited users. This is where Wrike truly shines in its scalability, capable of handling thousands of users across an organization. Key features unlocked. Enterprise. This tier focuses on security and administrative control. It includes SAML-based SSO, single sign-on, two-factor authentication, 2FA, password policies, custom access roles, granular admin permissions, and user audit reports. Automation limits are also significantly higher, 1,000 actions/user/month, and storage increases to 10 gigabytes per user. Key features unlocked. Pinnacle. The Pinnacle plan is the most comprehensive, adding advanced features for complex work and business intelligence. This includes advanced reporting and BI, Wrike Analyze, job roles, budgeting and billable hours, bookings for project-level effort planning, locked spaces for enhanced security, and even higher automation limits, 1,500 actions/user/month. Storage is also boosted to 15 gigabytes per user. Pricing. These plans are typically offered with custom pricing, as the exact cost will depend on the number of users, specific features, and any additional add-ons required. You'll need to contact Wrike's sales team for a personalized quote. Best use. These plans are designed for large enterprises, corporations, and organizations with strict security protocols, complex workflows, and a need for deep insights into their entire work portfolio. They are built for scaling work management across multiple departments, geographies, and potentially thousands of employees. Wrike's scalability philosophy. Wrike's approach to user limits and plans reflects a strong focus on scalability. They understand that a project management tool needs to grow with the business, not become a bottleneck. By offering a range of plans from free to enterprise, they cater to diverse needs and budgets. For a project manager, understanding these user capacities is critical when selecting a tool. It's not just about the current team size, but also anticipating future growth. A tool that accommodates growth without requiring a complete migration to a new system saves time, money, and reduces friction. Wrike's ability to scale from a handful of users to tens of thousands, while providing increasingly sophisticated features at each tier, makes it a viable option for organizations that anticipate significant expansion and evolving project management requirements.